2, 1. Hey, what's up mga bad boys? Baguhan pa lang sa channel ko, mag-subscribe na ka dyan at pinutin yung notification bell para updated ka sa mga bagong upload na videos. For more time, this me video, dito subscribe, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment, like, description box below. For today's my vlog, watch RR660S engine type, liquid cooled, 4-stroke, double overhead cam, 4-cylinder. Engine displacement 662.8, 4-stroke, 67 mm at 67 mm at 47 mm 4-stroke. Compression ratio 11/8/1. Maximum of power at 74 was maximum ay 64 kilowatt at 11,500 RPM. Maximum of torque 64 horsepower, 64 maximum of torque 64 by 11 64 kilowatt at 1,000 RPM. Dimension 109/95 by 12,010. Wheelbase 1,000 mm by 1,450 mm. Seat height 800 adjustable. Fuel tank capacity is 15.5 liters. Curb weight 215 kilogram at front tire size 120/70/17 front tire. Rear tire is 180/55/17 tubeless. Ground clearance 130 mm. Kung baguhan ka pa lang sa channel ko, don't forget to like and share, subscribe. Click the notification bell for more updates and for more upload my videos. Kung di ka pa nang subscribe, pinutin yung red bell button para pinutin yung yellow bell button para lagi kayong ma-inform sa mga bago kong i-upload na videos. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe. Don't forget to follow sa social media account like TikTok, Twitter, and Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Don't forget to comment.
Dito tapos na ikaw?
Itong motor na to ay bagong labas ni Bosch 2026 ay RR660S na sports bike na inline 4 siya. At ang engine type naman niya 4-stroke, 16 valves, liquid cooled double overhead cam at ang displacement niya 662.8 at ang compression ratio naman niya ay 11/8/1. Ito may ano siya, ang shock naman niya ay show of work, tapos ang caliper niya ay naka-Brembo front tsaka rear, naka-Brembo, at yung sukat ng gulong niya ay Sukat ng gulong niya, 120 sa harapan, 120, 17 by 17. Tubeless. Yung likod naman niya,
90.
180, 180, 55, 17. Tubeless din. Ang ground clearance naman niya, 130 millimeter. Ngayon lang to nilabas ni Bodge ng ngayon lang nilabas nito ngayon lang to nilabas ni YouTube sa ni Bodge RR 660 is na inline 4 ng Bodge. Press ni Aprilia 660 na inline 4 ng katulad niya ng Aprilia 450 SR. At may riding mode rin siya. May riding mode is po rain, road, sports. Tatlong riding modes niya. At kung lagi ka nagagawin sa aking channel, don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Click the notification bell para updated ka sa mga bago na upload na videos. At yung frame niya, steel frame, aluminum, chassis. Yung type niya naman pala, sports, super sports ang type niya. Tapos, nakano na siya. Nakano na rin Acrophobic pipe. Acrophobic niya. Ang cylinder niya inline 4. Tapos, ang disc niya naman, ay naka dual disc na sa front, tsaka single disc sa rear. Ang shock naman niya sa likod ay Showa. Pwede mong babaan, depende sa preference mo. At siya, super sport siya na sports. At yung wash stroke naman niya ay 67 by 47 millimeter. Tapos yung dimension niya 209 by 950 by 11,000 1,210 millimeter. Tapos ang wheelbase niya ay 1,450 millimeter. Ang seat height naman niya 800 millimeter, adjustable din. Ang laki ng tangke niya ay capacity niya pala 15.5 liters. Medyo malayo-layo na rin to. Ahead siya kay CB60R. Ang CB60R ay 15.4 liters. Tapos yung timbang naman niya ay 215 kg ang bigat niya. Ang pressure niya naman ay
Bakit? Dito natapos na ikaw?
ang pressure niya ay
Dito!
ang pressure niya ay 530 35,000 pesos ang ano naman niya, 5 inches 50 display. May quick shifter, may auto blip, at top speed niya naman niya 235 kilometers per hour. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour ay is 3.5 seconds. Kung lagi ka nakagawi sa akin channel, don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Click the notification bell for more updates and for more upload these may videos. Sana may natutunan ka sa aking vlog. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Bye. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Click the notification bell para ma-update for more upload these may videos. See you on the next one. Babush. Thank you for watching. Babush.